It was a gravity-fed mill. Just like this mill here, built on the side of the mountain, we let gravity do all the work. It is 20 stories high and has 8 levels. And when it was finished, it could process 7,000 tons a day. And the main mineral we were mining here was called chalcopyrite or copper sulfide. All the minerals here are mixed with sulfur. Now copper was our main product, but we also got lead, zinc, cadmium, gold, and silver. Those are byproducts.
For higher up areas to send rocks down.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That sounds cool.
In the center of the bit and out the top. So when they're drilling down, the only thing coming out is mud. So we've eliminated the dust problem. One man could move it around. It weighs about 50 kilograms or 100 to 110 pounds. The only disadvantage this drill had, it could only drill a vertical hole. We still had to use a wood drill for another 6 or 7 years before they finally came up with a drill they call a jackleg, and that's that drill you see right here. Now I'm going to make a little noise. And basically it's just a donut-shaped bit with industrial diamonds on it that will actually bore into the rock and give you a rock core sample, just like this here. We may drill up to 500 meters. A geologist would then study the rock core. They might see mineral in it. They would then have it assayed or tested, and then they would say, yes, it's worthwhile, or no, it isn't. So if I wanted to know if there was any mineral at the end of this tunnel, I would set up my diamond drill and drill 500 meters straight into the wall. Maybe at 100 meters I'd find some mineral. But then I'd drill a hole up and drill a hole down, because I want to know. At times, they were expected to move between 16 and 20 tons of material on their ship. This was expected. Now 16 to 20 tons is about the weight of 3 elephants. The crew of 2. Just given to you, you had to have the ability and you had to have the proper papers. And the proper papers was a Department of Mines blasting certificate that allowed you to use and handle explosives. 4 o'clock at night, the end of day shift. But it was also for emergencies, and we still use it for emergencies. We would ring it 3 times, and then we'd come to the mine entrance to offer assistance, because most of us are trained in mine rescue. I'm going to ring it once, due to that the missions know that we are safely out of the mine. It is very loud, so everybody plug your ears nice and tight. 3, 2,